Welcome again, AI Crypto Squad, to another exciting episode of AI Crypto News, where we bring you today's latest and greatest news in the crypto space in just 5 minutes or less. Let's get into it. BitMEX founder and crypto billionaire Arthur Hayes, who's one of the more influential figures in the entire crypto space, is letting Americans know that with high inflation, coupled with traditional financial systems going to the shitter, your bank savings are going to suffer. But he says there are solutions to preserve your money bags. According to Hayes, Americans are about to face a wave of inflation that will severely damage their savings. In a recent blog post, Hayes stated that as the US loses dominance over the global economy, financial markets will balkanize into several blocks rather than make way for another hegemony. This means that the government will go to great lengths by creating barriers to prevent the masses from exiting printed money to crypto and other assets, as they need both you and I as exit liquidity. Hayes notes that the US is already making it harder to store money in decentralized crypto wallets, perhaps in anticipation of a potential exodus from the traditional financial system. And as a result, he believes that crypto and gold will move to the forefront of financial markets as investors and countries look to shield themselves from currency debasement. While the accumulation of gold has already begun, Hayes says that Bitcoin could be next. He believes that as countries start looking out for their own best interests, central banks of the global south will diversify how they save their international trade income. He also added that gold and crypto will be the focus, as they cannot be debased at will by a central bank desperate to prop up their financial system with printed fiat money. Moreover, Bitcoin continues to prove that it's the hardest money ever created. Hayes expects that more and more countries will at least start to consider whether it is a suitable savings vehicle alongside gold. Everything that Hayes brought out is spot on. And AI Crypto Squad, let this news story be a call to action, as a legacy financial system shitstorm is definitely on the horizon. So stay logged into the movement of gold and crypto in the financial markets as investors and countries look to protect their savings from the impending inflation. Next up, Bitcoin has dropped below 28K since yesterday, with the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization trading at around 27,400, down 0.2% in the past 24 hours. According to Sam Callahan, an analyst at Bitcoin financial services firm Swan Bitcoin, Bitcoin's recent price drop can be interpreted as a period of consolidation and a healthy correction after an explosive move upwards past 30K over the past few weeks. Investors, including myself, are keeping an eye on next week's FOMC meeting, with a 91% probability of the US Central Bank raising interest rates by 25 basis points. This has led to caution among market participants, with several economic metrics signaling weakness in the economy. Meanwhile, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, was changing hands around 1830 as of Tuesday morning, down 1.3% from Monday. Over the past week, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have sunk 7% and 11% respectively, as investors mulled over industry and macroeconomic uncertainties. Despite the recent dip in prices, as I've said many times before, and will continue to say on this channel, incorporating a good dollar cost averaging strategy at these current prices is vital, not financial advice. Well, that's all for AI Crypto News, and thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this newscast, please like, subscribe, and share it out. And what are your thoughts about Arthur Hayes and his opinions on inflation negatively impacting fiat savings accounts? Feel free to go ahead and leave your comments below. And as always, take care and stay blessed.